पंचायत घर आसचें जाल्यार अशें आसचें फक्त पंचायतीचें ऑफिस न्ही पूण सबंद गांवकारांक लागून हे भुरग्यां पसून जाणटेल्या पर्यंत हे प्रत्येक मनशा खातीर हांगा एक फॅसिलिटी केल्ली आसा. एक बरी इमारत GSIDCनी आमचे इंजिनियरींग टीम आमचे सगळे टिमीन भरपूर मेहनत घेवन एक बरो प्रोजेक्ट केला. पॉप्युलेशनाक केटर करपाक फॅसिलिटी जायच आनी म्हजें पर्सनल मत आसा की प्रत्येक गांवांत खंय तरी ल्हान भुरग्यां पसून जाणटेल्याक एक खंय तरी रिक्रिएशनल फॅसिलिटी आसपाक जाय.
एक पंचायत परवरीची जवळ पॉप्युलेशन लाईक साल्वादोर दिमून पॉप्युलेशन इज रफली 10,000 प्लस. In Goa 190 panchayats will have different sets of population from 3,000 to 10-12,000. आमच्यो तिनूय पंचायती आर हॅव्हिंग हेवी पॉप्युलेशन. ताज्या खातीर पंचायत घर सुविधा जी केल्या, the other idea was to add facilities. So when you look at a huge project being done by different departments of the government to give the same output and one department which can give a better output and the same output, I think GSIDC has to be complimented and commended for the type of job they have done. कित्याक आज जशें आमी लोकांक म्हणटा बिझनेसवाल्यांक म्हणटा सिंगल विंडो इज ऑफ डुईंग बिझनेस, जाल्यार पंचायतीक नाल्यार जे कोण डेव्हलपमेंट करूंक सोदता आर ऑल्सो लुकिंग फॉर अ सिंगल विंडो टू गेट द डेव्हलपमेंट डन. And I think GSIDC is playing a very good role of being a single agency to cater to the demands. So it was not ground sporting केलो, पंचायत घर हाणें बांदले, हेल्थान वेट बांदले, तशें जावना. फॅसिलिटीज सगळ्यो तयार करून दिल्यो. आतां हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंटाचे लोक येवन हें सांबाळटले दोतोर आनी देल बी अ डॉक्टर्स रूम for to cater to the people. Veterinary animal husbandry will take that location where they will utilize that room. We are giving facilities, we are facilitators. Government cannot run businesses, so we are facilitators. GSIDC has allowed us to do it. The Panchayat will ensure that revenue is generated to take care of common amenities. Individual premises which are there, whether it is public health, whether it is where animal husbandry, or whether any other common amenities utilized, they will pay for themselves as far as the running cost is concerned. Whether it is roping in SEG, whether it is things with the panchayat and we have to sit and come with a plan. Handing over आज जाल्लें आसा पूण पयलें आज very important was पावसाच्या पयलीं सरपंच wanted to see that the records are kept well and they are able to start this office. That is why we are inaugurating it today on 1st of May to ensure that पावसाक लोकांक त्रास जावचे न्ही, records त्रास जावचे न्ही, and they are able to get the thing moving. The next 3 months will be functional part wherein Panchayat will start moving on various processes of tendering and auctioning and other things which will create revenues and avenues, and wherever they need my assistance I'll be there to guide them. Panchayat revenue is like you have limitations with the Panchayat revenue when it comes to you go by the Panchayat Raj Act. So when it comes to it, revenue wise it is granted aid or octroi or some measures which you get other than the house tax which is very meager. हाऊस टॅक्स वाडचो न्ही म्हणून सुद्दां आमचे इल्ले मित्र म्हणटले हाऊस टॅक्स वाडोव नाका न्ही रे. सो ते हाऊस टॅक्स वाडोव नाका, हे तातूंतल्यान गार्बेज टॅक्सान करून घे, तितले हातूंत रेवन्यू टर्न आउट कर. आय थिंक देर इज अ चॅलेंज विथ ऑल ऑफ अस हॅव टेकन एंड वील एन्श्योर दॅट थिंग्स आर डन इन द रायट सेन्स. मेनली पंचायत घर बांदलां कोणाक? आमच्या लोकांक सुविधा मेळच्यो म्हणून हे केल्लें आसा. आनी ताच्या खातीर हे रुमर मिल जे येतात तांकां एकूच सांगपी हांव की ह्या 3 म्हयन्यान सगळे ट्रान्सपरंटली जातले, तातूंत दुबाव घेवपाची कांय गरज ना. आनी खंयचोय डावट आसलो जाल्यार सरपंच नाल्यार आमदाराक येवन मेळ्ळे जाल्यार खुबशे डावटूय क्लियर जातले.